MIEBO, perfluorohexyloctane ophthalmic solution, is indicated for the treatment of the signs and symptoms of dry eye disease. MIEBO is contraindicated in patients with known hypersensitivity to perfluorohexyloctane. Please see additional important safety information for MIEBO at the end of this video. The pivotal GOBI and MOJAVE trials established MIEBO efficacy in a very specific and relevant patient group. In fact, 100% of the patients in these studies had clinical signs of meibomian gland dysfunction at enrollment. These trials showed that MIEBO delivered fast and lasting improvement in both a key sign of dry eye, total corneal fluorescein staining, and a key symptom, eye dryness, with statistically significant improvements seen as early as the day 15 secondary endpoint and continuing through the day 57 primary endpoint. As far as adverse events are concerned, blurred vision and conjunctival redness were reported in 1% to 3% of patients. No serious adverse events were reported, and there was a low rate of burning and stinging on installation. And the Kalahari study reinforced this efficacy and safety over 1 full year. For eye care professionals and their dry eye patients, the treatment journey begins with a critical question: how soon can I feel relief? A recent open-label single-arm Phase 4 study on MIEBO provided the answer, with findings that support the pivotal GOBI and MOJAVE trials. The study showed that patients experienced reduced symptoms versus baseline at every time point. In fact, after the first drop, there was a nearly 47% reduction in symptoms in as fast as 5 minutes, with continued improvement over time. Results this fast are clinically significant. So what does it mean as patients continue treatment? Beyond the first 5 minutes, the Phase 4 study showed that this relief was sustained and also continued to improve. By the day 7 primary endpoint, overall symptom severity was reduced by nearly 62%. And this relief was comprehensive. A similar pattern of significant improvement was seen across all 8 major dry eye symptoms, with severity reductions of up to 75% by day 14. The benefits also extended to how often patients felt their symptoms. The frequency of fluctuating vision, for example, was reduced by nearly 70% by day 14. This strong clinical data was matched by an equally strong patient experience. Satisfaction with MIEBO was consistently high, rising to a median score of 90 out of 100 by day 14. This was supported by how patients described the feel of the drop itself, with the most common descriptors being silky, smooth, and soothing. The treatment was also well tolerated, with no treatment-related adverse events reported in the study. Tolerability was consistent with the pivotal and long-term studies. So, what is the ultimate takeaway from this Phase 4 study? The data points to 3 key findings. First, it demonstrated that relief is fast, starting in just 5 minutes, with continued improvement through day 14. Second, it showed a significant improvement in fluctuations in vision quality. And third, it confirmed high patient satisfaction. Together, these findings build upon MIEBO's proven efficacy and safety profile, establishing it as a treatment that delivers fast relief with continued improvement and a positive patient experience.